Hello everyone, this is Tanmay Sharma. My register number is UR15CS188. This is my experiment number 4 for Java Lab, and the top title of this experiment is inheritance. And the question that is assigned to me is that here I have to develop a Java application using inheritance. Like I have to create a superclass called train, which has attributes like name, train number, source, destination, number of tickets, cost, and I have to add methods such as check seat availability, book ticket, and I have to derive a few classes like ordinary, sleeper, 3-tier business, 2-tier business, AC chair, and I have to override all the methods from the superclass to all these derived classes, and I have to implement the service check seat availability and booking ticket using runtime polymorphism with menu driven options. So first we'll see what is inheritance. Actually, inheritance is a mechanism which is supported in Java, in which the base class, which is derived from the parent class, it inherits the properties of the parent class. So as you can see here, that the train is there are three types of inheritance which is being supported by Java: single, multi-level, and hierarchical. And multiple inheritance is being supported is supported in Java, but it is supported using interface. So here I have used a hierarchical inheritance, in which I have created a class called train, in which this is the train name, train number. These are few attributes: train name, train number, train source, and train destination. And these are the two methods which are to be overridden in the classes derived from the class train. So the inheritance which I have used is hierarchical. And the meaning of runtime polymorphism means one in many forms. So these two methods are there in this class train, and these two methods I have used in many forms. Like here in chair, AC chair, car this class I have used these methods. In ordinary class, in sleeper class, in 3-tier business class, and in 2-tier business class. So these two methods which are in one class, I have used these in many forms in another classes, which is an example of runtime polymorphism. So this is the main train class. So these are the attributes, these are the two methods. Now the classes derived from the train is, like in a train we have few categories like ordinary, sleeper, 3-tier, 2-tier, and AC chair. So the basic is like the one with the lowest cost is the ordinary class, where there are few attributes. One is for seat availability, another is for booking tickets, and this attribute is for like I have set the value for the cost of one ticket. And this is the constructor, where I have constructor of this class, where I have initialized the number of tickets available. So whenever object creation will take place, the value to this attribute will be set as 30. So this is to check the seat availability, that is this thing. And whenever we'll book the ticket, the number of tickets which the user has entered, based on that the number of tickets, the value will be reduced from this 30. And the same procedure is being followed in others also, just the difference is that of cost. In ordinary the cost is 200, cost per ticket is, cost for every ticket is 200. In sleeper it's 500. Then in AC chair it's 600, and then in 2-tier it's 1000, and in 3-tier it's 700. So here in main, as you can see, I have used menu driven module to ask the user that which he wants, in which he wants to get the ticket reserved, in which class. So for that I have used menu driven module. and this while loop I have used to ask user again and again that whether he wants to continue booking the tickets or whether he wants to exit from the program. So this was all about my code. So now let's check out the output. Yes, so as you can see, first it asks the user about the source. So the source will be Mumbai to Ahmedabad, and then it would display the trains available on the basis of the source and destination entered, and then it would show the classes which are there in the train, and then like we have to select the class. For example, if anyone selects anyone goes with the class 3-tier AC, that is he wants to book the class in reserve the tickets in 3-tier AC, then it would give 3 options. One is to exit, first is to check the seat availability. So as you can see, in 3-tier business 30 seats are available. So if we book tickets, then it asks that how many tickets like do we have to book. For example, if we have to book 10 tickets, let's say 8, then 8 tickets are booked. Now if we check in seat availability, then the ticket count is being reduced by 8, like it has become 22 from earlier it was 30. So when we'll press the exit, it would display the ticket like the train name, number, train source, train destination, and then the number of tickets booked, and the cost based on the class of the ticket. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you for watching my video.